Hi, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. This is the reading for Cancer. This is my first reading on this channel for the sign of Cancer. So feel free to comment in the comment section and please do like, share and subscribe. The first card out is the Prince of Swords, the Knight of Swords you can say. Okay, we'll start the reading for you Cancer people. So I will look into your energy, your person's energy, the past, present and the future of this relationship, and at the end I will take out an advice card for you and a surrender card, both. Okay, let's start with the reading. So we have the Strength, Six of Wands, the Chariot, Prince of Wands, Eight of Wands. I'll be taking, I'm doing all the readings upright, the cards, and right now, so there's no reversals. I'll not be reading reversals. Beautiful energy, and the overall energy we have the Justice. You're waiting for some justice in your life. The reading looks beautiful. In the past, we have the Knight of Swords, the Six of Wands, Victory and the Strength. This connection was something you felt happy about, you felt fulfilled, you felt victorious, and you are moving forward right now towards this connection. I think you have made up your mind. And you're moving towards the communication is going to start between you both. You are moving, your person wants movement and you are ready for communication. You are ready for this passionate beginning. This looks a very futuristic and passionate start. This is just maybe a love offer. Then in the future, what I can see is your person or you, anyone, you can interchange the reading. You have the Sun card, the Queen of Wands and the Death. This is a very beautiful energy. They are breaking free out of this Prince of Swords. They are coming out with a truth which is bringing the clarity in the relationship. And these 3 months, October, November and December, are going to be very fulfilling for you. Lot of communication coming towards you, and the movement forward. You are ready to work towards this connection. This is a very beautiful energy and very passionate energy where justice is served. What you want, the divine is giving you, and this is the outcome. The Sun card and the Death card. Death card is not a bad card. This is a very good card, saying that the behind, whatever is left behind is, now you have to forget about it. It is done and gone. Right now you have to move forward. The Queen of Wands with this passion and this love. This is the over both of you, like this is the energy for of your both, and this is the individual energy. Say a 10 Sun and the Death card. Like you have broken all the old shackles of life and you are going towards a new beginning or in this, and the communication is very fast and swift. You want to they want to tell you the truth, or maybe you want to tell the truth, and they want to just confess your love and feel the victory here, which was a thing of past, and you feel that this connection is your strength. This is a very positive connection and energy. There is nothing to be feared of. These 3 months are definitely going to be very promising and happy for you. By January, maybe you people are going to settle down with each other. There is No, I cannot see anything which is negative here, which can be pulling you behind or back right now. Yes, you were there, you were scared of this connection, you felt that they are your strength, the victory was your goal. But right now, that's whatever you manifested, and wanted to move forward with, this is coming along with you. Okay, now let's see what is the energy. Let's see what is to be surrendered, and what is the advice for you? Sorry guys, forgot to take out the cards. What is the advice for you? What you have to be, and universe is asking you to surrender. Surrender your fear of change. Yes, your fear of change, that's all. What has to be surrendered? The death. The change is coming. A big change is coming in your life, and don't fear about it. Right? So, I'll pull out some whispers of love cards for you. Sorry about that. One card for advice from whispers of the love. What is, not advice, sorry. What are the guides, spirits and guides want to say, and what are they blessing you with? Let's see what is the blessings and the, okay, we get it. New love. Embrace this opportunity of love in your work prospects or for spiritual growth. There's new love coming in, and it is both. It is good for your spiritual growth as well as your work. This is a very beautiful reading, and this new love is going to be making you fulfilled. This is your sun. This is your everlasting happiness. This is what you have been dreaming of. This new love is coming forward. There is nothing to be feared of. You have to just march forward and look. Don't fear the change. Don't fear the change. The changes are good for you. They are bringing these changes are good for your growth, spiritual growth, as well as your personal and professional growth. Okay, Cancers, I will see you in the next reading. Till then, bye bye and take care.